Hi everyone, I'm the Senior Tech and welcome to my YouTube channel.
Do you know where Ford cleverly hid the turbocharger oil feed pipe filter on the 1-liter EcoBoost engine? Let me show you. Here's the oil feed pipe, bolted directly to the engine block. When you remove it, there's no visible filter attached. So where is it? Here's the trick. Ford placed it inside the front engine cover. Yes, you'll need to remove the cover to access it. Once you're there, look for an Allen key bolt. Unscrew it, and voila! There's the filter. Take a close look at it. If it's dirty, clean it thoroughly before reinstalling. Make sure to refit it in the exact same position. Surprisingly, Ford doesn't mention this filter in any of their manuals. So if you're troubleshooting oil flow issues on a 1-liter EcoBoost, this could be the missing piece. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check back for more tips next time.